Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use Nodemon in Node.js. So first of all, you can see that I have set up a Node.js project already and open this in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, I will go to my terminal by navigating from this position, and now inside my terminal I will type npm install Nodemon. So you need to type like this, npm install Nodemon, then you will press enter. This is a very useful package. It will save your time, so you don't need to refresh or restart your server again and again while you're developing a Node.js application. So the package have been installed. If you open your package.json, you can see that inside the dependencies our Nodemon package have been installed, and now my main file is this index.js. So what I will type inside my script, I will type here Nodemon, and this is my actual file name. Maybe you have different file on your server like script.js or something else, then you need to type your that particular file name. So in my case, this is my main file, so that's why I have write here index. Maybe you can write index.js, or maybe you can ignore the extension. And then now you can see that I can run this command to execute this command actually, or maybe you can directly type like nodemon or index.js. Guys, it is showing me error. Let me check this. Okay, so I just came back and I have fixed this error in such a way. If you see, I have typed here this command nodemon and index. So I'm saying that execute this file. So now what I will do, I will simply type here npm and start. So it will start my server, and you can see that my server has been started at my given port. Okay, let me open this localhost and 8002. Okay, you can see that this is my application which is running. And now if I will do any changes here, for example, if I remove this colon here and just save, so you can see that this server has been restarted. So friends, I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you want to learn about React, we have also uploaded some videos on our YouTube channel. I would like to suggest you to please watch that and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And finally, thanks for watching.